Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a makeup quick minute for you guys with the Sydney Grace Multichromes. So if you want to see how I achieved these two looks, then definitely stay tuned. Going ahead and starting with the Autumn Rain palette, I'm using Nature's Crown as my transition shade on a big fluffy brush, and my eyes are prepped with the ABH eyeshadow primer base. And for my crease, going in with the deep teal shade in the palette and putting that into the outer V and in the crease and blending that up nicely to get a nice, teal smoked out outer V, and going back with the fluffy brush to make sure everything is blended nicely, and then hopping into the multi-chrome that is Chamellionaire and using that with my finger. These apply best with the finger, I find. I'm just showing you any shifting that you might be able to see. And going back with the deep teal matte shade in the outer V to make sure that's blended, and going with the metallic blue green shade on an ABH brush and putting that on the outer corner as well as the lower lash line to add a little bit more color at the lower lash line. And then with the silver shade in the palette, taking that on the inner corner as well. And then you'll see after I do my liner and mascara that I take that a little bit farther up into the crease area, just to add a little bit more dimension to the look. And here is the final look. I'm trying to do a little bit of movement with my head to show you guys, any shifting that you can see, but it's mostly visible like in person, so I apologize for that. But for the second look, going in with Nature's Crown again for the transition, and for the crease using Golden Wheat, and then also taking that dark matte brown shade that I got from my mystery bag from Sydney Grace from the haul that I did. And then going in with Twisted Shifter, that is the other multi-chrome that I picked up. Once again, using that on my finger and applying that all over the lid. Trying to get you guys to see any of that shifting, but it's a little bit hard to see on camera. But anyways, for the inner corner, using that gold metallic shade in the Sydney Grace palette, and then on my lower lash line using the matte purple shade called Brilliant Rain, and taking that gold on the brow bone for a brow bone highlight, and then mascara and liner, and you have the second look completed. So let me know what you guys think. Definitely if you want to see a better example of the shiftiness of these shades, definitely check out my Instagram, because I did film film some footage of me in my car with this shade on my lids, and you can definitely see the shifting of the shade. Thank you guys so much for watching. See ya.